Welcome to the Facebook Ads Expert Mastery course. You made an excellent decision in joining. The first thing we are going to do is I'm going to show you how this program works. So the first things first is we need to know where to log in. And in order to log in, what we're going to do is we are going to visit chasechapel.com. So just go ahead and type that in. And once you are on the website, you then can click login in the top right. And you'll just go ahead and log in with your email and the password you signed up with. You can click Remember Me if you want to. Once you're logged in, you'll access the dashboard of where your program is located. So the program you purchased should be right here. You can go ahead and click Access. And now what we're going to do is I'm going to show you exactly the navigation of everything. So we have Programs, which will take you to this screen. Then we have Community, which takes you to the Facebook group where you can go ahead and join that group where all the other members are. And then we have Support, and that covers any questions you have, any troubleshooting problems you want to fix, or anything that you're searching for and you can't find. You can access that here. And then every single week we have a Q&A call on Wednesday at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. So you'll go ahead and click this button to go register for those calls there. And then in the top right, you should see your icon, and if you click on that, it'll give you a drop-down menu that shows you your programs. You can edit your profile settings like your password, your username, your address, all of those things. And then there's also a button for you to log out. So if you have any support-related questions, what you can do is you can visit Support, and you'll be brought to a page, and you'll see that we have multiple options for solving problems and answering questions. Our Q&A calls are every week, and you can access those by clicking here. We also have our training platform, which you can go through, so that way you can learn more about Facebook ads. And then we have our Facebook community group, which is where all the current community members are. You can ask questions, get ideas, troubleshoot, and also share results here. It's an awesome place to do that. So if you go ahead and hit continue, that'll take you to the actual Facebook group page where you'll enter in the same email that you used to sign up with, and then you should be approved within 24 hours into that group. And then if you also have some questions that you just can't seem to find, you can go ahead and use our search tool. And how you do that is you hit continue, and it'll take you to the actual platform and program. And you should see a little magnifying glass in the top left, which you can click, and you can actually type in your search. And if you search something, it will go ahead and populate exactly your search. So it can pull up a video from the program, different documents, and stuff like that. So now what we're going to do is, now that we're already within the program, I'm going to show you how to navigate and actually use it. So we have our video lesson here, which is highly recommended that you watch each one of them in order. And what you can do is you can actually hit Mark Complete. Once you're finished with the video, you can hit Mark Complete, and that'll actually give you a check mark on the left, and that'll show that it's done. And it's important that you mark them complete so that way you can keep track of your progress and see how much you've completed, and you don't lose track of where you're at. And if you aren't able to watch the video, for instance, you might be in your car and you're wanting to listen to something, you can actually use the MP3 version down here, which is actually an audio only file. And you can download this onto your phone and listen to this while you're going somewhere, so that way you don't have to actually see the video. And then right below the MP3 audio only, we have our actual lesson topics. So what we cover, we have the main things that we're going to cover in this video. And then you can also see the resources that we talk about in the video that give you an access. So this is the actual access link below the video. And this one looks like it goes to the Facebook Ads Expert Mastery Facebook group. So if you were to click this, it should take you to the group where you can sign up. And then right here we have our downloads. So as you can see, if you click on one of the video lessons, it'll show you a list of downloads. For instance, if there's a worksheet here that needs to be completed, if you click on it, it should populate it, it'll download it. You can end up opening this file, complete that, and at the end of each week, we have action items. So if that was one of the action items, you would come to this actual action item section, and you would hit the button to start the action items. You would answer your questions. Did you watch week 1's video lesson in full? If you did, then you would select yes. You could hit next, and it looks like this one's for the high and low point worksheet. So if you had completed this, you would end up uploading that file here. So you would select upload, and it would end up putting it into a bin and stores it for you. Because we constantly refer back to these different worksheets, so it's really important that you upload those so that way you don't lose them and you have a safe place that they're being stored, as well as you can access them very easily as you're going through the program. And then we have a set of questions at the end that also give you some more insights into how to use the search tool, the Facebook group, and the weekly Q&A calls. So that is how you navigate the program and the menu.